everybody, just Ron here. So excited! I'm getting a new shipment of Everyplate in. This will be my first shipment in about a year. I stopped taking this during COVID. I stopped during COVID because I wasn't as busy. But so my first shipment coming in. I'm gonna have 3 items that I'm gonna be unboxing. Plate, if you ever used it before, pretty good service. I really liked the food, and I will go through each one of the items as I open the box up. This week I decided to go with the Tuscan herb chicken with creamy tomato linguine, and I also picked loaded pork potato wedges. Comes with pickled onions, Monterey Jack cheese, and I also picked the Southwest fajitas. Hey everybody, just Ron here. Just got my delivery from Everyplate. I'm gonna open it up and check and see what's inside. Alright, so you pop the box open, and of course the first thing you're gonna see is your menu of what you ordered this week. So I'm going to pull that out real quick. So what we ordered was the Southwest quesadillas, and we also got the loaded pork wedges, which look delicious. And then we have the Tuscan herb chicken. And every recipe here has all what they sent you, and the prep time, and how long it will be ready. So that's 5-minute prep time, 45 minutes. This one's 5 minutes prep time, 30 minutes. And this one's 10 minutes for 30 minutes. And it shows you the ingredients there as well that they sent with you. So that's cool. So I'll tell you now, the first couple of ones you use are going to take you a little bit longer because you're just new to the whole system. Comes packaged pretty cool. So the package opens up. So we got our shredded cheese. We got sour cream. We got Tuscan meat sauce. We have more cheese, another recipe. It's probably for our quesadillas, wraps. Ooh, look here. We got a humongous green pepper. That thing's ginormous. All right, let's keep rolling here. We got some chicken seasoning. We got linguine. And also we have some onions. Or chives. Maybe onions or chives. I'll have to take a look and see. All right, more cheese, Southwest seasoning blend, chili powder, garlic chili powder. And if you look in there, you can see it's got your onions, it's got a couple of tomatoes, it's got a couple of lemons, it's got potatoes, more sour cream, and some more chicken seasoning. Check that out. Every box is packed. You got your meat on the bottom here. So you got ground pork for one of the recipes. You got your boneless chicken here as well. There's your 2 meats. I think one of them is going to be a veggie meal. And then you got your reusable, non-toxic ice thing here. Oh, garlic. Can't forget that. Fill out. And you got more chicken sauce. So kind of showed you how everything comes in. Here's all your ingredients here for your meat, your potatoes, vegetables. And then you got your other sides here, your wraps, and your blends and cheeses, linguine, and this big green pepper. Hopefully I don't have to use that once. So that's how everything's packed inside your box.